I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of Speed Screed. We are in unprecedented times, and the health and well-being of all employees and everyone associated with Speed Screed is of the uttermost importance to us. The world is facing a crisis not seen before. Everyone's main concern is the health and well-being of family and loved ones, and we all hope the situation will stabilise as soon as possible. As a consequence of the impact of COVID 19, we are operating a reduced number of Screed teams. Speed Screed are following Public Health England's advice with all office staff working from home. Site staff are following guidelines to ensure they keep themselves and others safe. Speed Screed are here if you need us at this difficult time.